how to manage control panel in activity timeout on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and then just go to security and privacy. And here we will find control panel and activity timeout. Now just select anything you want here, you can change it, and then just click save, change it, and click save. It will be saved, and that's it, as you see. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.